सब्जी में नमक किसने डाला? Who added salt in the curry? Who added salt in the curry? मैंने डाला, टेस्ट करके डाला. I added it after tasting. I added it after tasting. मैंने तो बिल्कुल नहीं डाला. I didn't add it at all. I didn't add it at all. शायद पहले ही डल गया था. Maybe it was already added. Maybe it was already added. 2 बार डाल गया शायद. Maybe it was added twice. Maybe it was added twice. अरे नमक था ही नहीं. Oh, I thought there was no salt. Oh, I thought there was no salt. चाय इतनी फीकी क्यों है? Why is the tea so bland? Why is the tea so bland? चीनी कम कर दी थी. I reduced the sugar. I reduced the sugar. मैंने तो वैसे ही बनाई जैसे रोज बनती है. I made it just like always. I made it just like always. दूध ज्यादा पड़ गया. Maybe there is too much milk. Maybe there is too much milk. तुम तो डायबिटिक हो. You are diabetic anyway. You are diabetic anyway. अगली बार मीठी बना दूंगी. I'll make it sweeter next time. I'll make it sweeter next time. कुकर की सीटी क्यों नहीं आई? Why didn't the cooker whistle? Why didn't the cooker whistle? गैस धीमी थी. The flame was low. The flame was low. ढक्कन ठीक से लगा ही नहीं. The lid wasn't sealed properly. The lid wasn't sealed properly. शायद पानी कम था. Maybe there was less water. Maybe there was less water. नया कुकर है, टाइम लगता है. It's a new cooker, takes time. It's a new cooker, takes time. गैस ही बंद हो गई थी बीच में. The gas got turned off in between. The gas got turned off in between. रोटी जल क्यों गई? Why did the chapati get burned? Why did the chapati get burned? फोन पर बात कर रहा था. I was talking on the phone. I was talking on the phone. मैंने तो पलटी ही नहीं. I didn't even flip it. I didn't even flip it. गैस तेज थी बहुत. Flame was too high. Flame was too high. ध्यान फ्राइंग पैन पर चला गया. My focus went to the frying pan. My focus went to the frying pan. अब तुम्हें ही सेकनी चाहिए. You should make it next time. You should make it next time. टिफिन में क्या डालूं? What should I pack in the tiffin? What should I pack in the tiffin? पराठा और अचार. पराठा and pickle. पराठा and pickle. कुछ बना ही नहीं है अभी. Nothing is ready yet. Nothing is ready yet. जो रात को बचा था वही डाल देती हूँ. I'll pack the leftover from dinner. I'll pack the leftover from dinner. मैगी बना दूँ क्या? Should I make Maggie? Should I make Maggie? कुछ हल्का बना दूँ, पेट भी ठीक नहीं है. I'll pack something light. Your stomach isn't fine. I'll pack something light. Your stomach isn't fine. गैस किसने बंद की? Who turned off the gas? Who turned off the gas? मैंने की थी. I turned it off. I turned it off. मुझे नहीं पता, शायद खुद बंद हो गई। नो आइडिया, मे बी इट टर्न ऑफ इटसेल्फ। नो आइडिया, मे बी इट टर्न ऑफ इटसेल्फ। शायद पापा ने किया होगा। मे बी डैड टर्न इट ऑफ। मे बी डैड टर्न इट ऑफ। तू ही तो बोला था बंद कर दे। यू टोल्ड मी टू टर्न इट ऑफ। यू टोल्ड मी टू टर्न इट ऑफ। भूल ही गया था, अच्छा किया किसी ने बंद कर दी। आई फॉरगॉट, गुड समवन डिड इट। आई फॉरगॉट, गुड समवन डिड इट। चावल गीले क्यों हो गए? Why are the rice so soggy? Why are the rice so soggy? पानी ज्यादा डाल दिया। I added too much water. I added too much water. टाइम से पहले बंद किया। Turn it off too early. Turn it off too early. भिगोया नहीं था पहले। Didn't soak them before. Didn't soak them before. चावल ही जल्दी पकने वाले थे। The rice cooks quickly anyway. The rice cooks quickly anyway. टीवी में ध्यान लग गया। I was distracted by TV. I was distracted by TV. कौन सी सब्जी बनाई है? What vegetable did you cook? What vegetable did you cook? आलू मटर बनाई है। I made आलू मटर। I made आलू मटर। आज सब्जी नहीं बनाई। Didn't make any today. Didn't make any today. फ्रिज में जो मिला वही बना लिया। Cooked whatever was in the fridge. Cooked whatever was in the fridge. नाम नहीं पता, बस बना दी। Don't know the name, just cooked it. Don't know the name, just cooked it. नई रेसिपी ट्राई की है। Tried a new recipe. Tried a new recipe. चाय कौन बना रहा है? Who is making the tea? Who is making the tea? मैं बना रहा हूँ। I am making it. I am making it. कोई नहीं बना रहा। No one is making it. No one is making it. शायद मम्मी बना रही है। Maybe mom is. Maybe mom is. अब तो खुद ही बना ले। Make it yourself now. Make it yourself now. गैस ही खाली है, क्या बनाओ? Gas is over. How can I make it? Gas is over. How can I make it? प्याज कौन काटेगा? Who will chop the onions? Who will chop the onions? मैं काट देता हूँ। I'll chop them. I'll chop them. मेरी आंखें जलती है। My eyes burn. My eyes burn. चलो बारी बारी काटते हैं। Let's take turns. Let's take turns. तू काट, मैं रो लूंगी। You chop, I'll cry. You chop, I'll cry. मिक्सर में डाल दूं क्या? Should I put them in the mixer? Should I put them in the mixer? ये महक किस चीज की है? What's this smell? What's this smell? सब्जी में तड़का लगाया है। I added tempering to the curry. I added tempering to the curry. मुझे कोई महक नहीं आ रही। I don't smell anything. I don't smell anything. शायद कुछ जल गया है। Maybe something got burnt. Maybe something got burnt. कुकर की सीटी छूट गई थी। The cooker was too late to whistle. The cooker was too late to whistle. गैस पर दूध था, वही गिर गया। Milk was boiling and spilled. Milk was boiling and spilled. दाल में इतना पानी क्यों है? Why is there so much water in the dal? Why is there so much water in the dal? गलती से ज्यादा डाल गया. I added too much by mistake. I added too much by mistake. मैं तो देख ही नहीं पाया. I didn't even check. I didn't even check. दाल पतली ही पसंद है. I like it watery. I like it watery. तुम ही तो कहते हो पतली हो. You always want it watery. You always want it watery. एक काम करो, उबाल दो और. Boil it more now. Boil it more now. बर्तन कौन धोएगा? Who will wash the dishes? Who will wash the dishes? मैं कर दूंगा. I'll do it. I'll do it. आज मेरी बारी नहीं है. It's not my turn today. It's not my turn today. चलो आधे आधे करते हैं. Let's do it half half. Let's do it half half. बर्तन बहुत है, कल करते हैं. Too many dishes. Let's do it tomorrow. Too many dishes. Let's do it tomorrow. चलो जो खाए वो धोए. Whoever ate washes. Whoever ate washes. तुमने चूल्हा बंद किया? Did you turn off the stove? Did you turn off the stove? हाँ, करते ही बंद किया. Yes, did it right after cooking. Yes, did it right after cooking. भूल गया था, अभी करता हूँ. I forgot doing it now. I forgot doing it now. लगता है किसी ने कर दिया. Seems someone else did. Seems someone else did. यार फिर जल जाता तो? Man, what if it had burned? Man, what if it had burned? अब गैस ही खत्म हो गई है. Now the gas is finished anyway. Now the gas is finished anyway. खाने में इतनी मिर्च क्यों है? Why is the food so spicy? Why is the food so spicy? गलती से ज्यादा पड़ गई. Added too much by mistake. Added too much by mistake. मैंने तो मिर्च डाली ही नहीं. I didn't add any chili. I didn't add any chili. मिर्च ही तेज थी शायद. Maybe the chili was naturally strong. Maybe the chili was naturally strong. तुम्हें तो बिना मिर्च मजा नहीं आता? You don't enjoy food without spice. You don't enjoy food without spice. अब मीठा खा लो संतुलन के लिए. Now eat something sweet for balance. Now eat something sweet for balance. ये चम्मच गिरी कैसे? How did the spoon fall? How did the spoon fall? हाथ से फिसल गई. It slipped from my hand. It slipped from my hand. मैंने नहीं गिराई. I didn't drop it. I didn't drop it. शायद टेबल से गिर गई. Maybe it fell from the table. Maybe it fell from the table. बच्चा खेल रहा था. The kid was playing. The kid was playing. हवा से चलकर गिर गई. The wind knocked it over. The wind knocked it over. आलू उबले नहीं क्या? Didn't the potatoes boil? Didn't the potatoes boil? नहीं, थोड़ा कम रह गया. No, they are a bit undercooked. No, they are a bit undercooked. टाइम ही कम मिला. Didn't get enough time. Didn't get enough time. गैस धीमी थी शायद. Maybe the flame was low. Maybe the flame was low. पुराने आलू है जल्दी नहीं गलते. These are old potatoes, take time. These are old potatoes, take time. कुकर की सीटी कम लगी थी. The cooker didn't whistle enough. The cooker didn't whistle enough. चाय किसने गिरा दी? Who spilled the tea? Who spilled the tea? मुझसे गलती हो गई. I spilled it by mistake. I spilled it by mistake. मैं तो पास भी नहीं था. I wasn't even near. I wasn't even near. शायद बच्चे से गिर गई. Maybe the kid spilled it. Maybe the kid spilled it. कप ही हिल रहा था. The cup was already wobbly. The cup was already wobbly. बहुत ऊपर तक भर दिया था. It was overfilled. It was overfilled. सब्जी इतनी टेस्टी कैसे बनी? Why does the curry taste so good? Why does the curry taste so good? आज मन से बनाई है. Made it with love today. Made it with love today. कुछ स्पेशल नहीं किया. Didn't do anything special. Didn't do anything special. मसाले सही बैलेंस में पड़ गए. Spices got balanced well. Spices got balanced well. नई रेसिपी ट्राई की थी. Tried a new recipe. Tried a new recipe. तुमने तारीफ कर दी, मजा आ गया. You praise it, now I am happy. You praise it, now I am happy. चूल्हा इतना गंदा क्यों है? Why is the stove so messy? Why is the stove so messy? दूध उबालते वक्त गिर गया. Milk spilled while boiling. Milk spilled while boiling. पता ही नहीं चला गंदा हो गया. Didn't even notice it got dirty. Didn't even notice it got dirty. सुबह सफाई नहीं हो पाई. Couldn't clean it in the morning. Couldn't clean it in the morning. तुम्हारा राज था आज रसोई में. It was your kingdom in the kitchen today. It was your kingdom in the kitchen today. अब मिलकर साफ कर लेते हैं. Let's clean it together now. Let's clean it together now. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.